Well, I didn't want to have to do this because I thought I could manage. Because obviously we're in a bit of a cold period, which is pretty much a shitty time for the boiler to break. I thought added layers could help. So I am going to unpack this that the boiler people gave me. 2 kW upright fan heater. Power indicator light, adjustable thermostat, dual thermal automatic cutout, overheating protection, safety thermal fuse built in, tip switch feature, BS approved 13 amp plug. This product is also for well insulated spaces for occasional use. Do not use an application in the vicinity of showers, bathtubs, wash basins, swimming pools, etc. Always use the heater in the vertical position, see figure 1 on the full instruction leaflet. Do not use the heater to dry your laundry. Never obstruct inlet and outlet grills. Danger of overheating. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. I hope it's good. I hope it's good enough. Oh, it's a pretty long lead. Pretty long lead. That's good. Sorry. Hiding my beautiful features. I know that's why you come. Literally. Joking. It's pretty much only going to keep this room warm. But that's okay. If I put it on floor here, then over towards me, where I'll keep most of the warmth, where I sit for most of the time, you know what I mean? Ooh. Ugh. The plug goes in after I take off the thingijigs. So let's take off those. Actually, might have to just go on the side there because it's not got a big enough range. Ooh. It's got a sensor at the bottom. That might not be perfect. That might not work very well. He's coming out of it anyway. So upright fan heater. Okay. So they're coming on Tuesday, obviously. So as I said, Easter, worst time for your boiler. It's not the boiler, it's the gas pipe. The boiler's fine, just can't use the fucking thing. So yeah. Hopefully that'll warm room up enough. Obviously, shut that fucking thing. Yeah. Upright fan heater and I'm sat over there, so yeah. So there you go. As I said, Tuesday they're coming to put a new gas pipe in over my head, over the in attic and down into the boiler in back room. Only way they can do it. So I'm going to clean out the hallway so I can get up into the attic, which I'll do on Monday. Oof. There you go. Subscribe.